Allow me to show you how to insulate a window air conditioner. Hurricane Ida started out as a fun time. And then things got real. And that's where I live. So I stayed with my brother at his house with his friends. And this is the damage and destruction. These gigantic pine trees were down everywhere, fences down everywhere, roofs collapsed. It was a mess. And the worst part about this is when you don't have power and you suffer through a deep south summer, you've got to get a generator. This is a Generac 2200 power generator, and a window unit, an air conditioner window unit are absolutely essential in the South when you lose power because of a hurricane or tropical storm. And what you want to do to get the most efficiency from one of these, especially when your window is too wide for the accordion style fitting, is you want to insulate it yourself. And we're going to show you how. Just grab any kind of random tape. We used some packing tape here. You can see my brother did this job. Brother! It's a little shout out for him, and he did a great job. You can see we've got the extension cord coming through, the slightly thinner extension cords going to just simple fans in the house, little pedestal fans, box fans, and then the thick daddy, we have that charging up the refrigerator. Run that once a day for about 4 hours, keep that going. And that's how you're going to optimize your window unit. And that's how you insulate your window AC unit. Please like the video, and if you have any tips, leave them in the comments.